going on, everyone? We are about to go on a little adventure. So on my lunch break, I shot over to the junkyard and I found a good condition black Mustang. So if you watched the first video of when I revealed the Mustang to the channel, I was saying in there that I wanted to get a new hood because it has a cowl hood on it and I don't like how it fits or how it looks. I just wanted to get a stock hood. So I went over to the junkyard on my lunch break and they have a good black hood. So yeah, I'm going to use the work van and grab that hood real quick because I don't know how long it will stay there. So should be there in a couple minutes, and I'm filming this on my phone because I did not bring my GoPro with me this morning because I had no intention of filming today. But I figured I'd film and take you guys along for the ride. So yeah, we'll be there in a few minutes, and I'll start filming again once I'm inside. Alright guys, it's hot out here. Here it is. It's the hood I was just talking about. It's in really good condition. Just needs to be cleaned up. It's got one little scratch right there, but that's not too bad. This car is, the body on it's pretty clean. It does have a wingless trunk as well. I might have to grab a little later, but I'm going to go ahead and get this hood off and get out of this heat. Man, it is a hot one today, but I got the hood. It's back there. Only crappy thing is it doesn't have the bracket that goes into the latch, so I'll have to, I guess, find one of those. Maybe parts store sells it, or maybe probably have to get it from the dealer. Or if you have one and you want to send it to me, that's fine too. But yeah, so now I gotta clean it up and find the bracket for the latch and then put it on. All right, it's hood day. Time to get this ugly cowl hood off and throw the new hood on. So this is what it looks like before, and I'll do an after shot once I get the new hood on. Alright, so I got the hood on there. I did notice that it's missing the bump stops on the front. It does need to be adjusted, but the looks of it, I think it looks a lot better than that big old honky cowl hood. So now I just got to clean it up, buff the car, and hopefully bring some of that paint back to life. I don't know why I wasn't filming this, but I started working on the hood with some cleaner wax. I'm using this Meguiar's cleaner wax. That stuff works really good. As you can see, I've already done this side of the hood and part of this fender here, and that's what it looked like before. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Not bad for 50 bucks. See myself. Hello. Alright, that pretty much does it for the hood. Probably going to go over it with the buffer because I just did it by hand, but it came pretty clean. I'm impressed. I'm eventually going to go over the whole car with, like I said, with the buffer and that cleaner wax, just to, because there's some scratches and stuff on it, and that can help get it out. I'm going to try have some Meguiar's Scratch X as well. I'm going to try that. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.